Hello all. Today I just want to share a little video with you. Something that we find is very rare now in timber and milling especially. We go through all sorts of sawing here, hardwoods and softwoods for different things, whether it be for building or joinery or furniture or whatever. But today I want to show you something really special. This is Ulmus procera. Ulmus procera is English elm. English elm of this quality is as rare as hen's teeth. That's a 3-inch slab coming off the top of this. I've wet it just to show the grain and the colorations, the greens and the yellows and reds. This is an absolutely beautiful piece of timber. It's approximately 4 meters long. You will not see grain as beautiful as this in any other hardwood timber at all. The video I'm taking does absolutely no justice whatsoever, and just for scale I'll put my hand on it. That's how big it is. Absolutely amazing. I'm so glad I've been able to mill this timber. This is a once in a lifetime opportunity. Well, twice, because I've had to actually do bits through the mill. But to find, I don't know, I mean it's 1, 2, 3, 3.5 feet in diameter, midsection. That's pretty awesome. Most of the elm died in the elm disease problem that we had in the 60s and the 70s. This died 4 years just before the COVID thing hit. Come from a friend's farm in Suffolk. 2 stems died approximately at the same time. How they survived this long I will never know, but I am so grateful to lose the sweat from my brow to mill such beautiful timber. Bye now.